Hello my friends and my family, thank you guys for clicking play and welcome to my channel. On this segment, we're gonna go to Playa Principal and we're gonna visit Mercadito Zanka here to our right. For those of you guys that are new to the channel, thank you for subscribing. And for those of you guys that are not subscribed yet, Zihuatanejo'S Ixtapa is located in the state of Guerrero, Mexico. And this is Playa Principal. Playa Principal is one of the beaches that makes up the cup of Zihuatanejo. I believe this beach has the most beautiful entrance in this whole town. And when you visit Zihuatanejo for the first time, it should be the first beach you go to. It has a view that will take your breath away. Plus, you never know what's going to be going on at La Cancha. La Cancha is the basketball court up ahead. There's always events here. As you can see, they're already setting up for something. And a couple of days ago when I was walking by, they had a big stage in there. They probably had someone performing. Last week they had a beauty competition. And a couple weeks ago they had a puppy adoption event. So you never know what you're gonna find when you get here. But one thing is certain, you're definitely gonna find something very interesting and cool. And unlike Ixtapa, Zihuatanejo is not a tourist resort. Zihuatanejo is a very authentic Mexican community. However, you do find a lot of tourists coming here all the time, and some might even prefer Zihuatanejo over Ixtapa. There is a Canadian and American community living here in Zihuatanejo. It's definitely more affordable to rent a house in Zihuatanejo or to buy a house than it is in Ixtapa. And if you happen to visit during the rainy season and it begins to rain, I would advise you to go to Mercadito Zanka. Here at the Mercadito Zanka, they have a cover to protect us from the rain, because when it rains, it really rains. It pours down. And while you're here, check out these really cool shops. You can find all kinds of food here from other places and different type of beers or alcohol. Usually I get a cup of corn, which now I like. I didn't at first. And for those of you guys that are not subscribed yet and are not following the channel, this music, these guys usually play in Ixtapa. It's wonderful to see them in Zihua. And for now, let's enjoy their music while we look for the best place to eat. And I gotta tell ya, the drummer is always on point. The people who live or are from Zihuatanejo are referred to as Zankas. Here, just in time, our cook is getting ready to finish our delicious tacos. He's been cooking up a storm back there. He offers 8 types of different tacos from different parts of Mexico. So all my friends recommended this place a while back. Usually I just walk by, thought it's time to check it out. I was expecting delicious food, but I was not expecting dinner and a show, especially from our guys in Ixtapa. And here I want to share with you guys an aerial view of Zihuatanejo. Up ahead we have Playa Las Gatas, and to the left we have Playa La Ropa. These are just 2 of the 4 beaches that make up the cup of Zihuatanejo. The one coming up is La Madera. It's a smaller beach than La Ropa, but equally beautiful, and with just all those hotels in between the 2 beaches. The main one is Playa Principal, and located just on top of that mountain is El Partenon. If you want to see what El Partenon looks like inside and the outside, check out my earlier videos. And here as the camera turns, we can get a better view of Playa Madera. Also, the mountains back there. Zihuatanejo is covered by mountains, surrounded by huge mountains all over the place. You get the best of both worlds. For those that enjoy hiking and for those that enjoy the ocean. A real, authentic Mexican town. Across from it, on the other side of those mountains, it's Ixtapa. Equally beautiful, but just in a different way. It is, after all, a tourist resort. A tourist resort that was built on a coconut plantation. But lucky for us, these two places are so close to each other that there is even a bike trail that goes from Ixtapa to Zihuatanejo. They have multiple mercados here. They open daily and you can get everything fresh from there. Fresh fish, fruit, meat, vegetables, everything you could want. And because it is so close to Ixtapa, the mayor here is always making improvements, renovations and such. With over 20 beaches here in Ixtapa and Zihuatanejo and other neighboring towns that have more beaches, and some of them are completely unknown to the world. Not only are we gonna go see those places, also the daily and weekly events here are phenomenal, from another world. You just never know what you're gonna find. Sometimes it can be CrossFit, sometimes it could be dancing competitions, sometimes it could be singing. You just never know. And this is in Ixtapa and Zihuatanejo, both places alike. And there you can see the path connecting Playa Madera to Playa Principal. Interesting enough, the same path connecting these two beaches is also connected to the bicycle path going to Ixtapa. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you enjoy these videos. It really helps this channel grow. you guys for watching, and I love you all.